Osteoporosis. What is osteoporosis? Osteoporosis may be defined as rarefaction of the bone, that is decrease in bone density, alteration of the microarchitecture of the bone, and increased tendency of the fracture. It usually results due to an imbalance between the bone forming process by the osteoblast and the bone destruction process by the osteoclast. Here, the osteoclastic activity is more than the osteoblastic activity, due to which there is decrease in bone density. Risk factors. The risk factors are postmenopausal women and patients on prolonged steroid therapy, as mostly in bronchial asthma or COPD. Now, glucocorticoids, they decrease the bone formation by causing the apoptosis of the osteoblast and the osteoclast. Another thing is that they also decrease the calcium ion absorption from the intestine and increase the calcium ion excretion through the kidneys. This is how they result or contribute in osteoporosis. The sites are hip, vertebra, forearm, usually in Colles fracture, and humerus. Clinical features. Actually, osteoporosis is a silent epidemic disease. It cannot be detected unless an injury or fracture occurs to the patient. Therefore, when it occurs, there can be pain, local tenderness, deformity at that site, and actually depends on that site what type of fracture or which type of bone or joint is affected. Investigation we do is a dual X-ray absorptiometry, which measures the bone mineral density with a t-score of less than minus 2.5. This is the main investigation. Other investigations we do is a CBC, ESR to rule out inflammatory disease or myeloma, serum urea and creatinine to rule out any chronic kidney disease, liver function test to rule out chronic liver disease, then serum calcium and phosphate to rule out primary hyperparathyroidism, thyroid function test to rule out hyperthyroidism, and serum parathyroid hormone to rule out primary hyperparathyroidism. These are the investigations which we do. Treatment is prevention of any type of trauma and the risk of fracture. Then pharmacological is bisphosphonates, which bind to the surface of the target bone. They bind with the osteoclast and decrease the bone resorption process. Calcium is also given along with them. Then another drug which can be given is denosumab. Denosumab is a monoclonal antibody. That inhibits bone resorption by neutralizing the effects of rank L. Another drug is teriparatide. Teriparatide is a fragment of the human parathyroid hormone and it helps in bone formation. This is the treatment.